What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing my new steering wheel from Viilante. If you don't know already, they're having a really nice sale. This steering wheel originally is $200 and I got it for $80. I still need to get the other parts to have it installed in my car, but for now I figured I would just do a small unboxing video to show you what comes in the box. Alright, let's get started. Beautiful cuts. Alrighty. And just like that. Wow. Let's get this box out of the way. And I'm sure you can see it through here. But man, is that looking gorgeous. Ooh. Now let's get this taken apart. Beautiful cut. Very sharp. Wow. Ooh, just look at that. Get this bubble wrap out of the way. Go ahead and get this plastic. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And we do have, I don't know if the camera will focus, but we do have the cords right here for the horn. Right there. Sorry, I still have some of the plastic in my hand, but it does come with the cord. And then we've got this beautiful, beautiful steering wheel right here. And like I said, this is originally $200 and I got it for $80. Can I get a close up right there? Oh, already dropping some bolts. Give me a second. Yeah, there it is. Get that put back on there. Always check to make sure things, aren't loose. Sometimes they'll kind of rattle around. But yeah, look at that thing. Kind of get a close up right here. Real nice horn button. Of course, I get a fingerprint on it, but all in all, it's a really, really nice steering wheel. Super well made, really nice quality, front and back. Overall, I would say it's a 10 out of 10. And this is going to be my first ever aftermarket steering wheel. And I don't know if you noticed, but there are some little grooves in here. You may be able to see them, but it'll allow your fingers to rest right here in the groove when you're holding that steering wheel like this. So, as you can tell, got the fingers in the groove right there. But there we have it. Comes just like this. Got the cord right here. And I will leave a link in the description where you can go get it. They are still having their sale right now, so I definitely recommend you going and getting a steering wheel before the prices jump back up. Y'all have a good one.